Well, hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? Well, got another little life vlog for you, alright? I'm going to kind of refilm this and put it over on my secondary channel, the gaming channel, TCTBNL Wargaming. I had an experience at a local gaming store recently that really, truly showed me they're really, really good people out here. I've been saying forever and ever that it's way too easy to be evil and destroy people, and it's really, really hard to be a good guy and build people up. We need more people in this world who are going to build you up. So I convinced my better half that we could go to the gaming store because, I needed a couple colors to complete a project. And me being a moron like I usually am, I've forgotten to write a list down and go get these and get the F out. Well, the cuteness factor loves coming along with me. She usually shakes me down for neat little objects like Dice Master cards or these Marvel little bag clips or whatever. And of course, this last time we go in there, she gets the exclusive Zombie Captain America one. But we got to the register and we were talking about, my army and paints and do I need this, do I need that? And the lady behind the counter went way above and beyond. I mean, seriously, way above and beyond. And this is what I think your experience at gaming stores should be. She starts talking to the cuteness factor. Hey, are you into this? Are you into that? Hey, let me show you my army. She brought out her army, which was immaculately painted. Okay, I thought I was improving in a lot of areas. Then I saw her work, and I feel like a monkey fucking a doorknob. But she let Brianna hold the figures. And Brianna was asking questions about things. And this lady took time out of her day to sit there and make my daughter feel amazing. That's what we need more of in the world. Things just like that. Seriously. I'm also going to leave their Facebook page down below so you can see some of the interesting stuff that they put on there. They do have a web store, but I don't think it really stays currently stocked or updated, however you want to put it. But it's amazing how that one little experience, number one, has a customer for life. Okay, it's a local store. I'm not in a big, huge metropolitan town. So every buck I can spend at that store really helps, the American dream for the owner and the employees. They were really cool, even when we went and checked out the little gaming area they had, because what's neat is here's your store. In the back of the store, they have a big, huge arcade. And 3 doors down in this little strip mall, I guess they're renting an area where tabletop wargaming goes on. So we got to go down there and take a look at that. And even, the card gamers are like, ew, natural light, ah. But, the guys doing Warhammer Kill Team were really cool. They're like, oh, hey, what's going on? That kind of thing. And it's funny how you're always going to have that guy, no matter what, all right? Or those guys who are just the assholes, and they want to be an asshole because they think it's funny to be an asshole. But overall, we need more people like that in the world. We need people who are really more, hey, I know I started out from nothing and I'm building up. We need people who are more helpful. We need people you can reach out to and go, hey, I got a question. Like I remember a long while ago when I was just starting to get into charcoal and products and I really didn't know a lot of the uses other than in beard products. It really helps strip a beard. So I reached out to Bearded Ambitions, Dave. And I went, hey, Mr. Professionally Barber Trained Dude. And of course, he made fun of me before he answered the question, but that's our relationship. There was a point where I was doing a review of a beard oil company that had one carrier oil. So I reached out to different beard product owners, beard product company owners. I'm not sure how to put that, but still, you know what I'm saying. And I asked them about it, and these guys responded quick, and they responded great. We need more of that. We need more of that positive energy in our day and in our life and moving forward. But I just wanted to film that for this channel, my main channel, because it left such an impact on me about just taking 5 minutes of your day. Something I talk about every single week on the No Lag Zone. If you're missing it, that's on you. About calling someone and seeing how they're doing, about being that bright light for somebody, because you never know what someone's going through. That woman was wonderful. That customer service was impeccable. And like I said, they've earned a customer for life. As long as I'm living in Mount Vernon, I'll be going there to try to find, my gaming store needs. But if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that, please hit that big old thumbs up. Something that help trigger that algorithm and get this insanity out there to other people. Because I think a message like this should be spread a little further, okay? Be that light, be that shining person, be that example. Be like that lady behind the register who came out and took time to talk to my daughter like she was a veteran gamer. But yeah, so there we go with that. We're not going to do little YouTube things on the sides, guys. You already know you're going to have videos pop up in a big channel sample for a subscription. But still, those are my thoughts on that. Be that shining light. I want to thank all of you for watching. I hope you're having a great day, a wonderful day, and I'll see all of you in our very next video.